Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the system of equations 2y plus x is equal to negative 17 and 5x minus 4y is equal to negative 15. So we're asked what is the solution to this system of equations. In solving the system, we can use elimination or substitution. I think this is a good opportunity to use substitution because we have 2y plus x is equal to negative 17. So if we subtract 2y from both sides, we get x is equal to negative 2y minus 17. We can plug that into this equation. So we have 5x, 5 times negative 2y minus 17, plugging in our new value of x into the equation, minus 4y is equal to negative 15. Distributing out, we have 5 times negative 2 is negative 10y, 5 times negative 17 is negative 85, minus 4y is equal to negative 15. Negative 10y minus 14y is negative 14y, minus 85 is 15, or is negative 15. Adding 85 to both sides gives us these canceling. Negative 14y is equal to negative 15 plus 85, which is 70. Just rewriting it up here so we don't run out of room. We want to get y alone, so we divide both sides by negative 14. These cancel, and we have y is equal to 70 divided by negative 14, which is negative 5. So we have our y value, and we can use this to find the x value, but we don't actually need to because we have multiple choice here. And if y is equal to negative 5, and only one of our y values in the answers is negative 5, we know that this answer, A, is our actual answer. We don't have to check the x value because none of the other answers fit. So A is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.